CO-22 denial means another insurance is the primary payer. It means your claim is denied due to a payer order issue. So always check primary and secondary insurance details. You will receive payment after billing the claim to the correct payer. But CO-109 denial means your claim is denied because the service is not covered under the patient's plan or the wrong insurance was billed. So always verify insurance eligibility before claim submission. Usually, this type of balance becomes patient responsibility. Now come to CO-226. It means your claim is denied due to missing or incomplete information. It indicates that something is incorrect or missing in the claim. It can be a missing modifier, incorrect data, or required documentation not submitted. So correct the claim and resubmit it with proper and complete documentation.